Good morning, students. Welcome to Transportation Engineering video lecture session. Okay, in the previous class, we are discussing about highway geometric design, that is unit number 2. In that particular, we are discussing about stopping side distance, right? I think we discussed about what is stopping side distance or what is side distance, and even we understood what are the factors which affects the stopping side distance. Then even we saw the formulas, correct? Even that stopping side distance is divided or considered to be the divided into two parts, that is lag distance plus braking distance. ये सब हमने last class में सीखा था. So in this particular class, we'll continue with the highway geometry design. So in this particular chapter, we'll start with the next side distance, that is important one, overtaking side distance. Okay, I think all these things are we studied in the previous class. uh, so this is what I was telling, right? It is nothing but stopping side distance is nothing but lag distance plus braking distance. So these are the formula tha. So once again the formula, I hope you remember. See, formula is always like it will be a two set of formulas. The first one is like this. See, if we are talking about stopping side distance at level road, okay, they may ask you the highway is constructed or the topography is level. ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन में बताया तो these are the formula. ठीक है. That one also there are two formulas are there. If velocity is given in meter per second, then you can use this formula. That is stopping side distance is equal to Vt plus v square divided by 2gf. So where v is the design velocity or where design speed, t is the reaction time, g is this one acceleration due to gravity, and f is the friction. Okay. So uh, in this particular formula, t is the total reaction time is 2.5 seconds if they are not given, because I already told in the previous class the stopping side distance करते समय the t value, that is total reaction time value, should be taken as 2.5 seconds. Okay. And if this in the same question, or if in the question if they are given the velocity or design speed in kmph, then you can use this particular formula, that is stopping side distance is equal to 0.278 vt plus v square divided by 254 f. Don't convert anything. ठीक है. सो वेलोसिटी के एमपीच में ये टी सेकेंड्स में इसको हावर पे कन्वर्ट करना है क्या, बिकॉज वेलोसिटी इज गिवन इन किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो टी सेकेंड्स में, तो सेकेंड्स को आवर में कन्वर्ट करके लिखना है क्या, कुछ भी मत करो, डायरेक्ट सब्सटीट्यूशन है, वेरी सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल्स. ठीक है. जस्ट यूज सब्सटीट्यूट इफ यू आर टेकिंग, इफ योर क्वेश्चन में वेलोसिटी या डिजाइन स्पीड इज गिवन इन kilometer per hour. So just substitute, you take this formula 0.278 capital V small t plus capital V square divided by 254 f, where V is velocity or design speed in kilometer per hour, t is total reaction time in seconds, and f is your friction. उसका वैल्यू आपको 0.35 से 0.4, 0.35 to 0.4 रहेगा दोनों इसमें. ठीक है. That one also we discussed in the previous class. And these are the formulas: meter per second, kmph, any one formula. So if it is, you need to find SSD at level पे. ठीक है. If you are going, if the problem is given in slopes, that is कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको slopes में दिया है, they will be given n value. It will be given in percentage, 10% था, 20% था, या ascending gradient of 2%, ascending gradient, descending gradient of 3%, ऐसा दिया रहता है. So in that case, you go with this formula. Once again, two formulas रहेगा, if it is speed is given in meter per second and if speed is given in kilometer per hour. So if speed is given in meter per second, the formula becomes stopping side distance is equal to small vt plus v square 2g bracket start f plus or minus 0.01 again. एन वैल्यू दिया है, एफ फ्रिक्शन आपको पता रहेगा 0.35 टू 0.4 का. अगर उसने नहीं दिया है तो यू अज्यूम कर लो 0.35 टू 0.4 में कोई भी वैल्यू, बट मेंशन करना भूलो मत. And g, you know, acceleration due to gravity, and v is the design speed, and t is once again 2.5 seconds. ठीक है, everything remains same, only thing is you are going to add plus or minus. Same thing, plus or minus में plus कब लेना है, minus कब लेना है. If it is ascending gradient you take positive, if it is a negative gradient or descending gradient you take negative sign. ठीक है. So same question, if the velocity or design speed is given in kmph, go with this formula. Same, the 0.278 vt plus 254 f plus or minus 0.01 n. ठीक है, everything remains same. Okay, say SSD required and descending gradient is higher, obviously because in the descending gradient, the speed of the vehicle will be more compared to the ascending gradient. So that's why stopping side distance depends upon the your speed. Yeah, in the previous class we saw that one, because if you are maintaining higher speed, you require more distance to stop the vehicle, right? So that's why if descending gradient is there, the SSD will be high in the higher side. And SSD should be invariably be provided throughout the length of all roads, hence it is known as absolute minimum side distance. So this is one important criteria. In every patch of the road, in every point of the road, there should be a stopping side distance. So that's why it is called as absolute minimum side distance. So exam mein, if they ask find the absolute minimum side distance, that is nothing but stopping side distance. Okay. So, okay, that is correct. You need to provide stopping side distance in each and every point or location on the road. But practically speaking, it is highly impossible to provide each and every location. Hence, there are some provisions you are going to make, like wherever you can't provide stopping side distance, you have to provide with the warning sign. ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपको वो साइड डिस्टेंस स्टॉपिंग साइड डिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकते, यू शुड प्रोवाइड द वार्निंग साइड्स. Okay, so I'll show the figure later. Okay, all these things are some standard values. See, you can see if the design speed is somewhere around 20 kmph, you can see the stopping side distance is 20 meter. As keeps on increasing, the speed keeps on increasing, you can see your stopping side distance also keeps on increasing. Okay, that is your SSD is directly proportional to the speed. If speed increases, SSD increases. So no need to remember these values. So just for understanding purpose. One second, you can see here also the speed they are given with respect to friction. Okay, if speed keeps on increasing, friction decreases, right? So आपका ज़्यादा speed है तो obviously the skid resistance is going to get reduced. So you can see that means your longitudinal coefficient, that is friction, is indirectly proportional to the speed. Okay, so 0.4 and 0.35. Why this one is समझो in exam में speed दे दिया है, ठीक है, but he has not given the values, so you need to assume the values 0.35 to 0.4 के range में. तो थोड़ा बाउंड्री याद रखो, समझो 100 kmph या ऐसा स्पीड दिया है तो कम फ्रिक्शन लो, अगर बहुत ही कम स्पीड दिया है तो 0.4 तक जाओ. ठीक है सर, कौन सा वैल्यू लेना है, 0.36, ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू assume, no problem. Only thing is you mention that whatever the assumed value properly. ठीक है. Okay, next we move on to the overtaking side distance. See, if all the vehicles travel on the road at a design speed, then theoretically there is no need for anything concept called as overtaking, right? See, समझो कभी हम road construction करते, design करते, so obviously we are going to consider some design speed, like the national highway is designed for some 100 kmph, yeah, expressway is designed for 120 kmph, right? So okay, I will take basically I will go with the national highway samjho. So if you are talking about national highway, it is designed for 100 kmph, and imagine if in national highway, if whomever is there using that particular highway, if everyone is traveling at a speed of 100 kmph, right? So imagine everybody is traveling at 100 kph, that means no one is going to overtake anyone. So everybody will be going at their own locations or something like that, correct? So positions. So they will keep on going smoothly. There is no concept called overtaking comes into picture. But unfortunately, vehicles will not move at a design speed. Obviously, everyone will not move at 100 kmph, and this is particularly true under mixed traffic condition. And it's very important that, especially, see, in India, it is a mixed traffic conditions. That means if you see the US or any other developed countries, the maximum traffic proportion will be having four wheelers and some trucks, like that very minimum classification of vehicles. But when it comes to India, you can see n number of different vehicles, car, two wheelers, cycle, bicycle रह सकता है, mopeds हो सकता है, truck हो सकता है, jeep, ऐसे bullock cart, like so many different tractors, different vehicles comes into picture. So when different vehicles comes into picture, there are different vehicle characteristics comes into picture. So applying the same concept, it's very difficult for mixed traffic conditions. Clear? Eh? So that's why what happens is, whenever that this design is, like obviously vehicles will not travel at 100 kmph. You can't expect a tractor to travel at 100 kmph, right? So this will be very difficult when it comes to mixed traffic conditions. So in such circumstances, it is necessary for fast moving vehicles to overtake slow moving vehicles. Obviously, so in that time, what I have to do is, like obviously the fast moving vehicles are going to overtake the slow moving vehicles, right? Uh, so let's understand that what is overtaking side distance. See, minimum distance open to vision of the driver of a vehicle intending to overtake a slow vehicle ahead with the safety against the opposite traffic is known as minimum overtaking side distance or safe passing distance. See, it's very simple concept. Imagine you are in the road, and when you are talking about stopping side distance, there will be only one vehicle plus one object, and that object may be moving or stationary, and that object may be a vehicle or anything, correct? So but when it comes to overtaking side distance, basically we are talking about three vehicles. One is the fast moving vehicle, which is intending to overtake the slow moving vehicle. So obviously second vehicle is the slow moving vehicle, and the third one is the opposite coming vehicle. Okay, so one second. See, someday if this is an highway, okay. So समझो this is one. Sorry, okay, there is one vehicle. Okay, and I'll give one more vehicle. I'll give. I was talking about there will be three vehicles, right? So sorry. Okay. So समझो the vehicles are moving in this direction. So vehicles are moving in these directions, right? So obviously this fellow is traveling at higher speed. This fellow is traveling at, sorry, okay, just समझो this fellow is traveling at 80 kmph. This fellow is traveling at 60 kmph. Okay, presently I am not considering this speed, but still I will go, okay, I'll give some 75 kmph. Okay. So what happens is, see, since this fellow is traveling at 60 kmph and this fellow is traveling at 80 kmph, obviously he has to overtake this fellow, right? So whenever we are talking about overtaking side distance, it is the minimum distance open to vision of the driver of a vehicle intending to overtake slow vehicle ahead with safety against the opposite traffic. So that means, so it is nothing but this fellow what he is going to do is, he is going to he needs some safe distance so that he can overtake this slow moving vehicle, and he will come back to the his original lane without colliding this fellow. ठीक है? So that means समझो ये बंदा ऐसा आएगा, ऐसा overtake करके ऐसा आएगा. ठीक है? So one second, I'll do one thing, I'll change the color of this one now. So now it comes to this one. Okay, so that means, so this is the that safe distance I was talking, this distance. That means from here to here. So that means imagine this fellow need from this location to this location, this much length of the road to overtake the slow moving vehicle safely and coming back to his original lane. Okay, without colliding. See, obviously when he comes from this distance to this place, obviously this fellow is going to move in this direction. Okay, so जो भी safely आके अपने वापस लेन पे आ जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ओवरटेकिंग साइड डिस्टेंस. आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा है. एवरीथिंग इज एक्सप्लेन लेटर इन द स्टेज, बट स्टिल ये सेंटेंस को, ये पैराग्राफ को समझाने के लिए मैं इधर ड्रॉ किया हूँ. ठीक है. सो इट इज अ मिनिमम डिस्टेंस, दिस वन ग्रीन कलर, to vision of the driver of the vehicle intending to overtake this fellow. He is intending to overtake because his speed is more. ठीक है. तो दिस इज अ ड्राइवर, उसको जो विजन दिख रहा है जितना उसको चाहिए, ओपन टू विजन. ठीक है. Overtake slow vehicle, this fellow, and with safety against the opposite traffic. This is the opposite traffic with safety without colliding this fellow. Is known as minimum overtaking side distance or safe passing distance. Safe passing distance. Okay. See, OSD measured along the center of the road, which a driver with his high level 1.2 meter above road surface can see the top of an object of 1.2 meter above the road surface with proper values दिया है. जैसे कि OSD is nothing but it is measured at the center of the road. ठीक है. Where this fellow driver is sitting at a high level of 1.2 meter and obviously he should see the vehicle which is also at 1.2 meter. अभी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है ना, 15 सेंटीमीटर या 10 सेंटीमीटर पत्थर गिरा है, कोई आसाम जा रहा है, गाड़ी को रोकना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So this vehicle with respect to this vehicle, right? So that's why sorry, eye level is taken as 1.2 meter and 1.2 meter. ठीक है, above the road surface. Okay, I'll clear all the drawings. Okay, this is okay 1.2 meter का देखो, आप देख सकते हो, high level above the road surface, high level above the high distance. So if this fellow is traveling at this is a overtaking distance. Okay, I'll keep this one. Next drawing जो भी आएगा उससे better समझ में आएगा. Okay, now question is जो previous हमने जो भी green color में ऐसा curve लिखा था, overtaking से distance, it depends upon some parameters, right? So what are those parameters on which this overtaking side distance depends? See, the first one is speed. Obviously, I told you keep it in your mind that each and every alloy geometric design parameters depends upon one important point, that is velocity or the speed of the vehicles involved in that particular case. Okay? See, right now you are talking about overtaking side distance, so your speed is must. It governs the overtaking side distance. See, now how many vehicles are there? There is a overtaking vehicle, that is fast moving vehicle, overtaken vehicle which is slow moving vehicle, and opposite coming vehicle. ठीक है. सो तीनों के स्पीड के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है. करेक्ट है. सो I'll explain this one in the next figure. So obviously the speed of the three vehicles controls the overtaking side distance. Our OSD depends upon these three vehicles speed. The next one is distance between the overtaking and overtaken vehicle. Okay, better I will try to show the diagram somewhere here it is. Okay. So don't get confused. This is the same vehicle. It comes to here. Take it. See, you see only this diagram. इधर से इतना ही देखो. Don't see all these things. Okay, वो मैं बताता हूँ. See, it's important while overtaking side distance. Now, the distance between these two things. X second, I will show this. The distance between red color, these two vehicles, it is very much important. Correct? Okay, I'll draw one more this thing. Okay, if you are talking about overtaking side distance, actually overtaking side distance is from here to here. Okay, so imagine even this distance get reduces. Okay, so obviously it is indirectly changes this length also. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दिस लेंथ और इवन दिस वन ऑल्सो, ठीक है। समझो वो व्हीकल, दिस व्हीकल एंड दिस व्हीकल इज सेम। मैं वो स्टेप्स आते समय एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, इसलिए डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज। इट इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन फास्ट मूविंग व्हीकल और स्लो मूविंग व्हीकल के बीच में जो गैप है उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड रहता है। समझो ये बहुत दूर है, फास्ट मूविंग व्हीकल ये है और स्लो मूविंग व्हीकल है, तो इधर से ओवरटेक करेगा और ऐसे आएगा तो इट इंक्रीजेस। वही बंदा पास में है तो ऐसे आएगा और वापस ऐसे आएगा, तो यू कैन सी द टोटल जो डिस्टेंस है इट इज गोइंग टू गेट reduce, स्टॉपिंग साइड डिस्टेंस, सॉरी, ओवरटेकिंग साइड डिस्टेंस, ठीक है। ओके, ठीक है। एंड स्किल एंड रिएक्शन टाइम ऑफ अ ड्राइवर, ऑब्वियसली ओवरटेकिंग करते समय जो रिएक्शन टाइम है दैट इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड स्किल दैट मीन्स सी ईच एंड एवरी ड्राइवर हैज अ डिफरेंट स्किल टू ओवरटेक। कुछ लोग बहुत पहले से राइट लेन पे आ जाते हैं और आराम से ओवरटेक करके जाते हैं, या कुछ लोग गाड़ी के पीछे ही रहते हैं, सडनली राइट लेन पे आके जो भी मौका मिलते ही सडनली ओवरटेक करते हैं। कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, अपोजिट व्हीकल से बहुत पास से ऐसे निकल जाते हैं। कुछ लोग बहुत सेफ डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करते हैं अपोजिट व्हीकल से। तो दैट मीन्स स्किल एंड रिएक्शन टाइम ऑफ द ड्राइवर के ऊपर भी आपका ओएसडी डिपेंड रहता है, ठीक है। एंड ऑल्सो रेट ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द ओवरटेकिंग व्हीकल, ऑब्वियसली जो ओवरटेक करना चाहता है उस व्हीकल का एक्सेलरेशन भी डिपेंड्स है। जब ओवरटेक होते समय समझो सडनली ओवरटेक किया एंड एक्सेलरेशन बहुत अच्छा है तो सडनली इट इज गोइंग टू रिड्यूस द ओएसडी। बट समझो एक्सेलरेशन उतना अच्छा नहीं है तो दोनों साथ साथ में व्हीकल जाता रहेगा, ठीक है, धीरे 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 ओवरटेक करेगा, ऑब्वियसली ओवरटेकिंग साइड डिस्टेंस इंप्रूव होगा। एंड ग्रेडियंट ऑफ द रोड भी मैटर्स है, मतलब असेंडिंग ग्रेडियंट है तो डिस्टेंस अलग, डिसेंडिंग ग्रेडियंट है तो डिस्टेंस अलग, बिकॉज स्पीड चेंजेस। तो वन सेकेंड स्पीड के ऊपर, स्पीड तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, इट इज गोइंग टू इन्फ्लुएंस द ओएसडी, ठीक है। So basically this is the formula to find the overtaking side distance, ठीक है। So OSD is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3. There are three distances you are going to consider while calculating the overtaking side distance, ठीक है। OSD is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3. Very important है, तीनों का अलग अलग कलर मेंशन कर रहा हूँ। So D1 is red color, D2 is blue color, D3 is green color, right? So OSD is equal to D1 क्या है? D1 is nothing but VBT. So once again, there are two set of formulas. Okay. See, the first formula is once again it is only for meter per second के लिए. That means once again the problem is given in problem the velocity is given or the design speed is given in meter per second. You go with this formula. Okay. Otherwise, if they are given the design velocity design speed in kmph, you go with this formula. Okay. So D1 is VBT, where velocity is in meter per second, and T is reaction time. Okay, and D2 is once again VBT capital T plus 2S. Okay, sub explanation है. So once again VBT is velocity and capital T is I'll tell you the duration of the for exactly required for overtaking operation, plus S is the spacing between the overtaking and overtaken vehicle. Okay, and the third one D3 is velocity and T. Okay, see, to understand this VB and small t capital T, why this T and this T is same, I need to go with that diagram. Okay, तो वो explain करूँगा, no problem. Similarly, if the speed is given in kilometer per hour, you go with this formula. You know, D1 is 0.28 VBT plus D2 is 0.28 VB capital T plus 2S, and D3 is 0.28 VT. Okay, if he is in kmph. Done? Okay. You can see. So VB is speed of overtaken vehicle. Okay. And V is the speed of overtaking vehicle if they are given in kmph. T is total reaction time of a driver, remember, and always जैसे आप रिएक्शन टाइम एसएसडी फाइंड आउट करते समय 2.5 सेकंड्स लिया था ना, द सिमिलर वे while calculating OSD you take 2 seconds. This is fixed. If he is not given, assume total reaction time, that is small t, as 2 seconds while calculating overtaking side distance. ठीक है? So then capital T, that is the actual overtaking distance or distance required to actual overtaking operation, that is under root of this one. You remember this one, under root of 14.4 second, 14.4 s divided by capital A. ठीक है? This is also there if it is given in velocity in meter per second. This is kmph का है. So okay, while solving the problems we'll understand all these things, don't worry about that one. And s is spacing of the vehicle. Once again it is given 0.2 vb plus 6, and once again this value changes if it is given in meter per second. So all these things I will explain while not explain, already explained है. न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते समय प्रॉपर फॉर्मूलास एक रिवीजन जैसा करके मैं बताता हूँ. A is acceleration, and if overtaken vehicle speed VB, so this one is not given, then you assume V minus 16. See, समझो वो स्लो मूविंग व्हीकल का स्पीड नहीं दिया है, so what you have to do is you just फास्ट मूविंग व्हीकल का स्पीड से -16 कर दो. You assume that and you start solving the numerical if the speed is given in kmph. समझो if they had given VB as मीटर पर सेकेंड, अगर नहीं दिया फास्ट मूविंग व्हीकल का स्पीड दिया है मीटर पर सेकेंड पे, बट स्लो मूविंग व्हीकल का स्पीड नहीं दिया है, देन यू टेक V minus 4.5 इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है? Okay, this and this slide is important. Okay. See, distance d1, d2, d3, and you should understand what is d1, d2, d3. d1 is the distance traveled by overtaking vehicle A during the reaction time small t second of the driver from position A1 to A2. This is the overtaking vehicle. Okay, A1 to this is A2. See, what happens is I'll just have to do something. Okay. 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 Okay, why I'm giving same color is A1, A2 and A3 is the same vehicle but different stages. ठीक है? Similarly, I'll change the color. Okay. Okay. ठीक है? And I need, sorry, I can't see that color. Red हो गया, क्या color ही नहीं दिखता. Okay. See, already is there A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, C1, C2. फिर भी I'm just giving a color combination. Okay. See, first understand there is no A2, there is no B2, there is no C2. Everything at first stage A1, B1, C1. So where is A1? Here it is. Where is B1? Here it is. Okay? And where is C1? Here it is. See, what happens is, समझो this fellow is traveling at higher speed and this fellow is traveling at lower speed, and this fellow is traveling with is whatever the speed. Okay? So when this fellow wants to, see, this is a standard एक assumed procedure है overtaking का. ठीक है? So once again it depends upon the skill मैंने बताया था. Okay, so this is a standard procedure for overtaking. So what happens is, this is not there, A2 is not there. See, when this fellow is moving at a lower speed and this fellow is traveling at higher speed, what he has to do is, ये समझो 80 kmph में आता रहता है और ये 15-60 kmph में जा रहा है. अभी इसको ओवरटेक करना है तो वो क्या करता है, पहले अपॉर्चुनिटी देखना है कि सामने से कोई व्हीकल आ रहा है क्या, तो अगर मैं ओवरटेक कर सकता हूँ क्या. तो दिस इज द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ द ओवरटेकिंग ड्राइवर. सो दैट टाइम व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू डू इज, आपने नॉर्मली देखा होगा, सो बिफोर ओवरटेकिंग, सो व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू डू इज यू विल कम बिहाइंड हिम एंड हिज स्पीड विल बी इक्वल टू दिस फेलो स्पीड. मतलब फास्ट से आता रहता है और थोड़ा धीरे धीरे हो जाता है, he is going to reduce his speed and he will be just moving behind, धीरे 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 ऐसा पीछे पीछे जाता रहता है, ठीक है। सो दैट मीन्स इस बंदा का स्पीड और इस बंदा का स्पीड, दैट इज A1 का और B1 का, दोनों का स्पीड सेम रहता है। सो दैट मीन्स ऑब्वियसली दैट from this location to this location पे आ जाता है, that is D1. Why I taken reaction time is that is the time he is going to see the slow moving vehicle and he decides ठीक है ये बंदा स्लो जा रहा है, मेरे को स्पीड रिड्यूस करना है, उसके बाद मेरे को ओवरटेक करना है। सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स हैपेंस इन दैट in small duration, so that is reaction time, right? So what happens is in that small t, he comes from this location to, sorry, from this fast से आ रहा, deaccelerate किया और धीरे हो गया। now at this location इसका स्पीड और इसका स्पीड सेम है। so you know capital or only V is fast moving vehicle का speed, VB is slow moving vehicle का speed. So that means this vehicle is having a speed of this vehicle, so this speed is VB only. Right now starting में this is V, this is VB, right? But from here to here when he reaches, that is in this distance D1, he is going to have the velocity of this one only, that is slow moving, that is VB. So that's why you can see in the formula, come on, just want to go to the formula. Okay, you can see in distance D1 you are taking VB and small t is reaction time. समझ में आ रहा है concept? Okay, now I will go to the second part. D2 is the distance traveled by vehicle A from A2 to A3 during actual overtaking operation in t seconds. So now this is D2, ये D1 हो गया। D1 में स्पीड क्या रहता है, VB रहता है, और whatever the time taken from for this from here to here it is small t, ठीक है। So this one, this is small t. So now, okay, I can write this. Okay, so now अभी इधर आ गया, अभी एक्चुअल ओवरटेकिंग प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट होता है, ठीक है। सो दैट मीन्स ये दोनों व्हीकल साथ में जा रहा है, अपॉर्चुनिटी देख के तुरंत इधर से निकलेगा वो, ठीक है। ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम इज एक्सेलरेशन, इज स्किल, ऑल दिस थिंग्स कम्स इनटू पिक्चर। सो द मोमेंट ही लीव्स दिस प्लेस एंड ही स्टार्ट्स ओवरटेकिंग, ऑब्वियसली जब ऐसे जाता रहता है ये व्हीकल भी मूव होता रहता है, ठीक है। सो ये आया आया आया, इसको ओवरटेक किया और इस तरफ आ गया। सो फ्रॉम दिस लोकेशन, सॉरी, फ्रॉम दिस लोकेशन टू दिस लोकेशन पे आएगा, करेक्ट है। तो उसी टाइम पे ये व्हीकल भी इधर से इधर आएगा ऑब्वियसली, और ये इधर से इतना डिस्टेंस कवर किया क्योंकि उसका स्पीड ज्यादा था, इसमें कम स्पीड में इसलिए कम डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया। सो दिस फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर आने के लिए जो भी टाइम लिया, दैट इज कैपिटल टी, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, ठीक है। सो दैट इज कैपिटल टी, एंड आप देख सकते हो दिस इज द स्पेसिंग, फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर स्पेसिंग है, एंड दिस डिस्टेंस इज एक्चुअल ओवरटेकिंग होते समय, एंड दिस डिस्टेंस इज वंस अगेन स्पेसिंग है, ठीक है। सो अभी आपने पीछे जाके देखा तो यू कैन से स्पीड वी आर कंसिडरिंग VB ओनली विथ कैपिटल T है, करेक्ट है, एंड ऑल्सो 2s, क्योंकि 2s है उधर, समझ में आ रहा है, इट इज हैविंग 2s, यू गॉट टू नो व्हाई आई टेकन 2s, ठीक है। सो सी एक्चुअली ये सब एक्सप्लेन करने का जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ फार्मूला दिया तो अच्छा है, बट आई होप आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया, ठीक है। एंड यू कैन सी ऑल टी कैलकुलेट कैसे करना है, दैट इज ऑल इट इज गिवन हियर, वो सब हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते समय देखेंगे, एंड इवन स्पेसिंग ऑफ द व्हीकल का फार्मूला भी दिया है। ओके, नाउ D2 हो गया, नाउ विल कम टू D3, ठीक है। व्हाट इज D3? See, D3 is the distance traveled by the opposite vehicle C from C1 to C2 during overtaking operation of A, that is in t seconds. So that is important. जब व्हीकल इधर से इधर आया, इसका क्या है वो हमको मतलब नहीं है, बट व्हेन इट लीव्स दिस लोकेशन, अज्यूम करो जैसे ये बंदा इधर से निकलेगा, सो यू नीड टू कंसिडर दिस व्हीकल आल्सो, बिकॉज ये बंदा इसी व्हीकल को देख के ही आ रहा है, तो ये कैसे सोच रहा है कि मेरे को बाबा इस व्हीकल को ओवरटेक करके जाना है, जाना है, जाना है, और ऐसे ओवरटेक करना है, तो ये इमेजिन करेगा कि ये व्हीकल तब तक मेरे पास आ जाएगा, या मैं उसको ओवरटेक आराम से कर सकता हूँ क्या इजीली, या थोड़ा डेंजर रहेगा, ये सब सोच के निकलता है। दिस इज साइकोलॉजिकल गेम होगा दिमाग के अंदर, रिएक्शन टाइम, करेक्ट है। सो जैसे ये बंदा निकलेगा तो इसका भी इधर से निकलेगा, ठीक है, या जैसे इधर आएगा ये भी आता रहेगा, जैसे ये बंदा इधर आएगा तो ये व्हीकल भी इधर से इधर आ जाएगा। सो दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर द टाइम टेकन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, सेम टाइम में इधर से इधर आया, तो इसलिए इन दोनों का टाइम कैपिटल टी है। सो इधर से इधर से आने के लिए कितना टाइम लिया था, कैपिटल टी, सो इधर से इधर कैपिटल टी, क्लियर है। सो d3 is nothing but the distance traveled by the opposite coming vehicle from c1 to c2 during the actual overtaking distance, that is capital d2, which is taken time of capital T, this one, ठीक है। So you can see the formula, speed, fast moving vehicle का speed plus capital T। होप आपको समझ में आ रहा है। सो दिस इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट कि फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू वन प्लेस, देन आते समय सामने वाला व्हीकल, यू हैव टू हैव द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ थिंकिंग, जर्जिंग, दैट दिस इज द एक्चुअल वर्ड, कि बाबा मैं सेफली ओवरटेक कर सकता हूँ क्या, या मैं इधर अटकूंगा। बहुत बार ऐसा वो होगा, हो रहेगा आपको, आप ओवरटेक करने निकलते, सो दैट मीन्स यू आर डन द पूर जजमेंट, यू आर नॉट कंसिडरिंग हिज स्पीड, दिमाग में फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सेकंड में हो जाता है, ठीक है। दैट इज नथिंग बट रिएक्शन टाइम, जितना आपका कम रिएक्शन टाइम है उतना अच्छा। सो आप इधर तक आ जाओगे कभी कभी, बट ये बंदा आपको लगता है कि नहीं 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 ये बंदा आ जाएगा सामने, तो इसलिए आप फिर से सडनली स्लो करके वापस चला जाते हो, इसके पीछे फिर से जाते हो, या कभी कभी बहुत कम इससे बचे होंगे अपोजिट व्हीकल से, या कभी कभी बहुत ही स्मूथली ओवरटेक करके भी गए होंगे, ठीक है। सो दैट्स वाई स्पीड ऑफ दिस व्हीकल, स्पीड ऑफ दिस व्हीकल एंड स्पीड ऑफ दिस व्हीकल matters in overtaking side distance, calculating overtaking the side distance. I'm going to remove all these things. See, effect of gradient in OSD कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि ascending gradient और descending gradient में, जैसे कि ओवरटेक करते समय ascending gradient में जा रहे हो समझो, तो स्लो मूविंग व्हीकल भी उसके ऊपर भी इफेक्ट रहता है व्हीकल का स्पीड, और ओवरटेकिंग जो स्पीड का व्हीकल था वो भी दोनों स्लो जाता रहता है, तो ऑब्वियसली दोनों के ऊपर इफेक्ट पड़ेगा और ज़्यादा हो जाएगा। वैसे ही डिसेंडिंग ग्रेडियंट में भी दोनों व्हीकल फास्ट जाता रहता है, तो इसलिए दोनों व्हीकल पे इफेक्ट है, इसलिए इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रेडियंट इन ओएसडी, इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रेडियंट ऑन ओएसडी उतना कंसिडर नहीं करते, ठीक है। Okay, I will continue overtaking zones in the next class, but before leaving, I'll show some video. I think how safe overtaking, yeah, how we are going to misjudge the opposite coming vehicle speed, or can we up or overtaken vehicle का speed, मतलब जो व्हीकल को ओवरटेक करना उसका स्पीड अगर कैसे आप मिसजज कर सकते हो, उसके वजह मतलब उसका इफेक्ट क्या हो सकता है, ठीक है। आई विल ट्राई टू शो न्यू, दिस इज, I hope you saw that one. Can you see that? See, at this location now, see this fellow is fast moving, and dash cam जिसके पास है, that fellow is having slow moving. So पीछे से overtake करके, so it's just entering it is this thing. So that means while this fellow is overtaking, obviously has considered opposite कर आते हुए vehicle का speed और आपका speed सब देख के decide करके जा रहा है. So just okay, he entered in this location. Very small escape. थोड़ा safety नहीं था, but thank God he safely reach हो गया अपना इस पे. ठीक है. And it is not about only during the daytime, it is even in the night time also it is matters. So you can see this fellow is now traveling at his own lane. He is not overtaking. This is right hand driving lane. So you can see this fellow is going in his lane. Opposite से एक बंदा आ रहा है, but उसको overtake करके एक बंदा आ रहा है. So that this person is not judged properly maybe. So or maybe क्या बोल सकते हैं, not cared about the life of maybe other drivers or something. So you can see he's coming, and it is highly impossible for him to overtake this vehicle within this whatever the available distance is there. So that means he is having very less overtaking side distance, or whatever the actual side distance required for this fellow, it is not available, but still is trying for overtaking. Okay, so you can see he's still coming. See, this fellow has gone to away from the road. He just went off. So you can see it. Otherwise, you would have gone, correct? Okay, so that was one video, and this is another video. Okay, now you can see there is a truck, there is one car here, there is another car, and this is Samjo, myself. So now, in this particular case, I am going to overtake. So see here it is, so many vehicles are there. I need to overtake all these three. This is actually is not good idea. See now, see since I'm driving fast, I am the fast moving vehicle, but right now I'm traveling with the speed of this one only, and this fellow is traveling at the speed of this one only, and this fellow is traveling at the speed of truck only. Whenever they will get, this is that D1 and portion, and when time comes suddenly I'll start increasing my acceleration and overtaking. Okay. See now opposite vehicles are coming, so I'm looking. Now I start my, see now D1, still I'm in D1. Okay, I'm waiting for an opportunity. You can see I'm coming the same speed. Now I increase my speed. Yes. Now the D2 starts. Opposite D2 time पे जितना मेरे को इतना time लगेगा, उधर से भी उतना वो आता रहेगा. So I don't have much time. I couldn't. This is what is going to happen if you doesn't judge properly. I just want to see from here. Can you see this fellow is slow, 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 slow. D2 starts. Still D2. The same time this fellow is also coming. C1 to C2 आ रहा है. C2 आ गया, but मैं thank God that fellow is better driver than this fellow, I think. Okay. Hope you understood the concept. Okay, sorry. No. ठीक है. Hope आपको समझ में आया. ठीक है. So now I will stop this thing. ठीक है. Thank you.